What is industrial design? Well, basically it covers everything you see around, everything you use, all the products you use, from this coffee mug to your computer, to your laptop, to your mouse. Whatever you see around is designed, and these are just some of them. You can find also products outside on the street. Just while coming here to this park, I was using the tram, I was using the tram station, I was using the little device to buy the ticket inside of the tram, or also the seats in the tram and everything. So industrial design is just a big part of our lives. And of course there are more. You can consider the cameras, cell phones, tablets, computers, microphones, keyboards, mouses, hard disks, all these electronic products. You can also consider them like electronic product design, but they're also part of industrial design. Or we can consider furniture design also a part of industrial design. We can also talk about watch design or accessories like jewelry design. And of course also in the supermarket you can see all these products and the packaging. Oh, package design, also industrial design. Or we can check some sportswear stores or some shoes. There is something called footwear design, of course as a part of industrial design. And also for the kids and grown-ups, I have like lots of toys and Hot Wheels, so toy design is also part of industrial design. So yeah, it covers everything. And apart from the things that you saw, there's lighting design, there's yacht design, stand design, stationery design, constructional equipment design, or medical products design, and many more. So basically we can design everything. And it can be only focused on the idea, and it can be just a conceptual design, or it can be focused on the functionality and how it works, or it can be focused on the aesthetics, how it looks, how it feels. Or maybe you can focus on the great harmony between all these things. So to do this all, you need to be curious and creative. Also, you need to understand psychology, marketing, storytelling, presentation, communication, technology, problem solving, production methods, and more. And when you see a product, there's a great story, there's a great process behind it. And I think it's really exciting to think about it, and it's really fun to design. I think I love to design. I hope you like this video, and see you on the next one.